Hi everyone, welcome back to our math channel, Math Bridges. In today's video, we'll be learning how to multiply a number with series of 9. It is part 2. In this one, the number by which we are multiplying is greater than the series of 9, whatever we are considering. So let's start. Let's see an example. 324 into 99. You can observe here 99 is a 2-digit number and 324 is a 3-digit number. So in this video, we are going to see multiply with a number which is greater than 99, greater than the series of 9 it means. So let's start. The first step, you can check 99 is a 2-digit number. So the number by which we are multiplying, in that after 2 digits, you make one partition from your right hand side. So now the number has been divided into two parts. First part is 3 and the second part is 24. So let's start the method, how to go on. Step 1, you add 1 to the first part of the number. That is 3 plus 1, it is 4. It is step 1. Now the step 2 is, consider this full whole number, whatever is there, 324. To that one, you subtract 4 from it, the answer which you got in step 1. It is 320. This 320 will be writing over here. The first part of your answer now. Moving on to the second part of your answer now. How much should be added to 2 to get 9? Nikhilam Navataha. 2, 4. 2 is the first number. So how much should be added to get 9? 2 plus how much is 9? It is 7. Next one, it's a 4 is the last number, last digit in 324. So the rule is Charamam Dashataha. How much should be added to 4 to get 10? It is 6. So the product, the answer is 32076. 324 into 99 is 32076. Very easy, isn't it? Now let's consider 83 into 9. It's simple. See, only one digit. 9 is a one digit number. So here we will do the partition like after one digit. From your ones place, from right hand side onwards, we are making the partition. So ones place. So step 1, add 1 to the number which is on the left hand side. 8 plus 1, it is 9. So it is step 1. Now step 2, write this complete number 83 as it is. And subtract the answer which you got in step 1. How much we got here? 9. So subtract here, minus 9. 83 minus 9 is 74. So write this 74 over here, the first part of your answer. And the second part is, how much should be added to 3 to get 10? So it is 7. So your product is 83 into 9 is 747. So simple, right? Let's see one more example now. 163 into 99. First thing, 99 is a 2-digit number. So after 2 digits from right hand side, we'll have a partition over here. So we will start as first step, plus 1 you do it to 1. It is 2, that is step 1. And step 2, you consider this full number 163, the number by which you are multiplying. 163, you subtract 2 from it, the answer which we got in step 1, it is 161. This is our first part. So write it over here, the answer 161. The second part, how much should be added to 6 to get 9? 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. Now the next one, Charamam Dashataha, last number. How much should be added to 3 to get 10? It is 7. So the product is 16137. 163 into 99 is 16137. If you have doubt, manually also you can do it and you can check your answer, or else on calculator also you can check it once. More than the calculator, the answer will be very fast. You can get the answer in fraction of seconds in this method. Let's check with one example. 64897 into 999. So the first step is, how many nines are here? 3 nines. So after 3 digits, we'll keep one partition from right hand side, from ones place onwards. So it's been divided into two parts, 64 and 897. So our first step, to the first part, that is 64 plus 1, it is 65. Now coming to step 2, you write this full number 64897 as it is, and you subtract the previous answer, that is 65, from it. So the difference is 64832. This is the first part of our answer. You can write it over here. Now the next step, the second part, 897. How much should be added to 8 to get 9? Nikilam Navataha. So it is 1. Second, again the same thing. 9 plus how much is 9? 9 plus 0 is 9. And the last one, Charamam Dashataha. How much should be added to 7 to get 10? So it is 3. So our product is 64897 into 999 is 64832,103. It's very easy, such a big calculation, isn't it? Now let's consider one more example. 8326547 into 999, such a big number. So first step, see how many digits are there in this. 999, it's a 3-digit number. So we'll have a partition after 3 digits. So it's been divided into 2 parts now. So the first step is, to the first part whatever you are having, plus 1. So it is 8327, step 1. Now step 2. Consider this complete number, whatever has been given, you are multiplying. Subtract the previous answer, what you got in step 1, 8327. So when you subtract, you are getting 8318220. So write it over here, the first part, answer. Now the second part is 5. How much should be added to 5 to get 9? Nikilam Navataha. 5 to 9, it's 4. Now how much should be added to 4 to get 9? It is 5. 4 plus 5. Next step, last digit. 7 is the last digit. So, Charamam Dashataha. How much should be added to 7 to get 10? Or 7 plus how much is 10? It is 3. Our product is done. It is ready. 8318220,453. Such a easy. Only hardly in 3 steps you will be getting the answer. This multiplication part 2 worksheet link I have posted in the description. You can practice that. And also the part 1 multiplication with series of 9s is also posted in the description. You can refer that one. It's for your reference purpose. You can compare both the videos and you can practice the sums. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.